Hello, this time we will discuss Maquis mushroom. So, what are Maquis mushroom? Maquis mushroom are a general term for a variety of mushrooms that contain psilocybin and psilocin, two chemical compounds that have hallucinogenic effect. Psilocybin is converted to psilocin in the human body and affect neurotransmitters in the brain, which can alter a person's perception, mood, and cognition. These mushrooms grow naturally in various regions around the world, including North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Some well-known species are Psilocybe jubensis, Psilocybe smeliangiata, and Psilocybe mexiana. Their use is often associated with spiritual ritual and traditional medicine.
History of magic mushroom in Indonesia. Magic mushrooms are known by several local names such as gaudang mushrooms because they are often found growing in livestock manure. Although not native to Indonesia, these mushrooms began to be known in the late 20th century along with increasing access to global information. In the 2000s, magic mushrooms became popular among tourists visiting Bali, which then influenced local residents to consume and trade them. The Indonesian government then banned the use and distribution of magic mushrooms by designating them as Class I narcotics, meaning they have no recognized medical use and have a high potential for abuse.
Magic mushroom benefit. Despite being illegal and having a high potential for harm, some scientific studies suggest that magic mushroom may have the therapeutic benefit in high controlled contexts. Some of the purported benefits include 1. Treatment of mental disorder. Some studies suggest that psilocybin may help treat depression and anxiety, PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, and anxiety disorder associated with terminal illness. 2. Cognitive and creativity studies. The use of psilocybin in low dose or in controlled setting has been linked to increased creativity, lateral thinking, and openness to new experience. 3. Addiction therapy. Some studies suggest that psilocybin may help reduce cravings for addictive substances such as alcohol and nicotine. However, it should be noted that this benefit can only be activated under strict medical supervision and in a controlled environment, given the significant potential risks.
Side effect of consuming magic mushroom. The side effect of consuming magic mushroom can vary depending on the dose, type of mushroom, the user mental state, and the environment in which they are consumed. Common side effects include: number 1, hallucination and altered perception. User may experience visual and auditory hallucination, time distortion, and altered perception of reality. Number 2, psychological effect. Anxiety, paranoia, and panic can occur, especially if the user is in an unspecific or uncomfortable environment. Number 3, physical effect. Nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and diarrhea are some common physical side effects. Number 4, risk of psychosis. Psilocybin use can trigger episode of psychosis, a serious mental disorder, individuals who are susceptible to the condition. Number 5, accident and injuries. Due to altered perception and decreased motor coordination, users are at high risk of accident or physical injuries.
How long does it take for magic mushroom have got wore off? The effect magic mushroom typical beginning to be felt within 20 and 40 minutes for consumption and can last between 4 and 6 hours. However, is this tweak can vary depending to the those individual metabolism and typing of mushroom connectment residual of cats such as mood swings or that dog can persist for se- several days after use. In some cases, user may experience flashback for repeated hallucinogenic express experiences back for months after initial as magic mushroom, which contains psilocybin and psilocin, are hallucinogenic mushrooms that have been out from spiritual and media performance. There is some research showing potential therapeutic benefits using magic mushroom with strict median supervision can have serious and potential fatal side effects.